Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set an alarm in this device. For this, open the clock application. Then you will get default two alarms from here. To create a new alarm, tap on the plus button. So here you need to set the time. So you can see now the time is 11:27. So here I am going to set the alarm for 11:28 p.m. Then tap on done. Now you can see ring in less than 1 minute. Now just wait for a few seconds. The alarm will ring. So here also you can see some customization. You can, if you tap on this one, you can change the ringtone of this particular alarm. Then here you can change the snooze timing of this alarm also. You can customize the alarm settings. Now you can see the alarm is ringing at 11:28 p.m. You can snooze the alarm, otherwise you can stop the alarm. So simply here I am going to stop the alarm. Now you can see it is turned off. So simply in this way you can set the alarm in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.